Consistent with the theme of this conference on climate change smart agriculture, which is building sustainable and resilient agriculture, governments, allied agencies, stakeholders, and agricultural communities must focus on the identification and application of adaptation strategies such as climate smart agriculture. The adoption of appropriate climate smart agricultural practices will play a pivotal role in ensuring sustainable livelihoods and improved community resilience for farming communities throughout the region and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, climate smart agriculture isn't distinct from sustainable agriculture, but it is a way of combining various sustainable methods to tackle the specific climate challenges of a specific farming community or farming region. For example, where drought and prolonged dry seasons are the main risk, a climate smart approach might focus on planting cover crops or mulching to improve soil structure, water infiltration and retention, and overall soil fertility. On the other hand, in places where risks are heavy rainfall and flooding, a climate smart approach would likely focus on trenching, planting cover crops, and controlling surface water runoff with activities like vegetation barriers. Simply put, therefore, climate smart agriculture must seek or aim to improve farmers' productivity, and as this can lead to improvement in their livelihoods. Secondly, farms can be made more resilient to climate impact they're facing now and to other adverse climatic conditions that are likely to hit in the future. And thirdly, where feasible, we should all attempt to curb greenhouse gas emissions associated with growing food. Further, here are some of the areas in which we can help implement climate smart methods. This can be done through soil management, crop management, pest and disease management, planting of shade trees, and also water conservation. So in closing, the Global Cooperation and Training Framework, GCTF, has long been at the forefront of developing and implementing climate smart agriculture solutions, and also addressing other critical areas of our overall development across a wide range of areas such as public health, law enforcement, disaster relief, etc.